Okay, so now we're going to try to find some unknown angles, but I need to show you the concepts that fall beneath that so that you can use those skills and those strategies and those rules to apply. So we're looking at straight lines, angles at a point, and vertically opposite angles. So the first thing you need to know is a straight line is 180 degrees, okay? Meaning that a right angle is 90 degrees. Angles in a whole circle, so at a point, the total is 360 degrees because it's a circle. And our vertically opposite means that our top is the same as our bottom and each side is the same as each other. So we have two sets, if you like, of equal angles. So these are equal and these are equal. Not all four are necessarily equal. Okay, so those are our standard rules. So let's have a look at trying to solve some. So what we need to do is make sure we write our rule. Okay, that's our representation of this rule here. And then we're going to try and find what it is. So we first of all write how many degrees there are in the rule. We subtract off what's left, and that will give us our value. Okay, so x then equals 180 minus 40, 140 degrees. Okay, I'll show you another one, trying to get the larger side this time. Okay, same thing, we start with our rule. We then can go y equals 180 minus the amount. So 180 minus 55 gives us 125. Again, if you're not sure of that, you can do it on the calculator. That is the process that we follow. Okay, same concept applies for here, but it would be for 90 degrees. Okay, so now we're looking at angles on a point, which is this concept here. So let's say we've got let's go 120. We want to find x, and we've got 140. We want to find y. Okay, in this case we know that we've got the straight line through there, so that helps us. We can split it into these. Okay, so we can say straight line theory, y equals 180 minus 140 equals 40. And then if we wanted to, we could use angles at a point. X equals 360 minus 120 minus the 40. So that's 160, so that would mean x would equal 200 degrees. Is that right? What we've made the mistake of is we haven't taken that whole amount there. So if we go back, so this is the importance of checking our questions, we would actually have 180 here. So that would leave us with 60. So when we rechecked, we checked what the answer would have here. The answer was way too big for part of a 180. Okay, so just visually we checked it and we knew we had to try again. What we've done is taken part of this side, not the whole side, into here. Yeah, so sometimes it can get a little tricky if we're not actually paying too much attention. So move on to vertically opposite. Don't worry too much of whether they add up to 360, this is just a demonstration. So all we need to write is vertically opposite, x equals 40, and vertically opposite, y equals 80. Okay, pretty simple. It's just a matter of remembering those rules.